cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Many people believe that cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis, which is a disease that affects your joints. You've probably heard someone say, "Stop cracking your knuckles or you'll get arthritis." But this is just a myth. Cracking your knuckles might be annoying to hear, but it doesn't cause arthritis. The sound you hear when you crack your knuckles is caused by bubbles of gas popping inside your joints. Studies have shown that there's no link between cracking knuckles and arthritis. It might cause your hands to feel stiff afterward, but it won't harm your joints in the long run. So, while cracking your knuckles might make some people wince, it's not going to hurt you.